Your heating and air conditioning system is pretty amazing. You turn on your thermostat to heat or cool, and voila! You get warm or cold air throughout your house. But have you ever stopped to think about how air is delivered to each room? It's pretty cool, actually. Inside the walls of a forced air heating and cooling system is a maze of air ducts, all designed to deliver conditioned air throughout the home. One part of the system delivers heated or cooled air to the home. The other part pulls air back into the system, where it's reconditioned and recirculated. When ductwork is installed, there are often leaks where one length of duct is connected to another. This means heating and air equipment has to work harder to move air to all rooms, which results in higher utility bills. And because air is lost before it gets to rooms, it creates uneven room temperatures. Unless ductwork has been sealed, the typical home could lose 20 to 30% of the air moving through the system. There's great news! Even though air ducts are hidden, leaks can be fixed without cutting into your ceilings or walls. When the leaks are sealed, you'll know air is getting to all rooms as intended, and you'll notice savings on your utility bills.